Hey, Map here, Map Investments. I want to talk to you about Purple. These guys, they do beds. I'm sure if you look them up, you'll start getting a bunch of ads on your YouTube. They're really aggressive in advertising. I started looking at, I saw this stock back when it was in the teens, and I started looking at their beds and online and Google, and I started getting a bunch of ads in YouTube and stuff going forward. But anyways, they make beds, and the stock's had a good climb. The stock's up to 30. Had a good move on yesterday. So what I did was I did an iron fly, and I'll pull up the chart. I did another iron fly here. I'll pull up the chart so you can see. I've been watching the stock for some time, and it's been trading between 25 and the 30-ish level. Got a little bit of a breakout here. So on the daily, you can see it's got a little breakout. Company's Purple Innovation. They do beds. And here's a chart on the weekly. You can see the stock was like at $6 up to 34. So big move. I mean, that's over some time. Well, yeah, well, that was March. Crazy. So that's a big move. And put up the monthly. There's the monthly. So what I did was going into the Tastywork platform, because it has a nice illustration here so you can see. IV ranks 29. Let me see what it was in Tasty. In TD. Let me see what their IV rank is. Orders. Show Purple details. Yeah, 21 as well. All right, so what I did was, all right, let me pull up here. Strategy, Iron Condor. I'm going to go out to February. All right, so what I did was I sold the 30 put and 30 call, and I bought the 35, trying to move this green one down. This one's fine. I just need to move this green one down here. Let's see if I can grab it and move. Oh, there we go. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here. Perfect. So there it is. There's the trade right there. So I collected $380 on this trade. $380 is what I collected on this trade. Right now it's showing about $390. So it's basically at the 30. I think I'll pull back. That's why I did it kind of leaning down to the downside. So I did the 30s. Let me make sure I did the 30s. Yeah, 30. Yeah, 30, 35. 30. Okay, so basically the trade is what you're seeing here. I sold the 30 and I bought the 35 and 25. So I expected to pull back a little bit and fall back to the 30 level. That's the goal here. And I got a pretty decent credit. Break even to the upside is basically where it's at right now, 34, and to the downside 26. Let me pull up the chart here. This is the daily. You see it usually hits 33, goes back to 25, goes up 32, 28, then 32, then 24, then back up. So it's pretty range bound from what I've been seeing on it. Earnings are March 9th, so we still got some time here. So that's the trade I did in Purple. They do beds. Please it's called the Iron Fly is the trade. When you sell the same strike in the same month, put call, and then you buy the wings which I did them same distance apart, $5 on each side. And the max profit on this trade is 390, max loss is 110, and it takes up about 500 buying power. So it's basically a straddle, but with wings to help you with the buying power and to help you with the with defined risk. Because if you were to do it without the wings, you need, it's a hefty margin. I don't remember what it was, but it definitely pretty heavy on the margin. Yeah, it would take up 1,500. So that's what it would take up, 1,500, and I did it for 500 with the wings. Your probabilities of success are less because of the wings. You have to pay for the wings, but it helps you with your margin, and it helps you with your defined risk, of getting blown out. So that's the trade in purple. Please like, share, subscribe, comment below, help grow the channel. And if you have any underlying or any stocks you want to talk about, just comment below, and I'll be happy to set up some trades and look at it. Thank you. Have a good night.